Okay, let's look at a few things together before we get started. First off, I've got my drafting board here, and I've got my parallel bar, and if you notice it's a little loose, and we've got these little adjusting screws right here and right over here, and I want to make sure that it's perfectly straight all the way across. So what I'm doing is lining it up with this edge, and then I'm going to tighten down my screws. And this is important, just so we get a nice straight horizontal parallel bar. There we go, that's all ready to work. Now I'm going to put my paper on. Okay, so I've got my paper here. I like to put a little cup in it like this and let it hit my parallel bar. Why am I doing that? Because I want to line it up straight, and that's going to help ensure that it's straight with the parallel bar. Okay, I've got it there, I'm holding it down. I'm going to put my drafting dot here, there, there, there. Now I'm all set, perfectly straight. Okay, so now we need to make our invisible border with the construction line. The construction line is made with our 0.5 millimeter pencil and our 4H lead. We have to draft really lightly with our 4H lead and our 0.5 millimeter pencil. 0.5 millimeter refers to the thickness. 0.9 millimeter is thicker than 0.5 millimeter. 4H and 2H are our leads, so we have to change those out depending on how light or dark we want. So right now, according to the instructions, I need to make an invisible border 1/2 inch around the entire sheet. So I'm going to line it up over here, put a little mark, 1/2 inch, using the full scale side, the side with the 16. These are just regular old inches, and that's what I'm doing right now, 1/2 inch right there. 1/2 inch right there, 1/2 inch right there. Okay, what are we going to do now? Because I'm using the construction line, this will be easy to erase that afterwards. Very simply, quickly. There we go. Lining this up with my little marks. There we go. Notice that I went over a little bit. That's okay. It's going to be really light. This magical little tool will come in and help me get rid of those areas that I don't want. This is your erasing shield. Okay, next up we've got to put in our binding area mark and our border mark. So still using the full scale side, which is regular old inches. I'm going to come over here, mark 2 inches. Line that up. Okay, there's a little mark. For here, we're going to go over 3/4 of an inch. This is because we would bind a packet of drawings together. We have to leave room for the staples. We don't want to draft in an area where it might be bound, because then we couldn't see it. Got my mark. Lining it up. Once again, I am drafting this a little darker, just so you can see it. Notice that I'm trying to keep my pencil approximately a 45-degree angle, 0, 90, 45, and I'm slightly turning it as I draft so I don't get a flat edge. With that, we're ready to move on.